How to use Hotwire car rental properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Hotwire is a popular platform for booking rental cars at discounted rates, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time, money, or flexibility. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not comparing prices. Most people get this wrong by assuming Hotwire is always cheapest. Check competitor sites to confirm rates and consider Hotwire's opaque pricing. Sometimes savings come with restrictions. Second mistake, ignoring vehicle details. You won't believe how many users overlook car size, transmission type, or fuel policy. Read descriptions carefully to avoid surprises at pickup. Third mistake, skipping insurance review. The surprising truth is Hotwire doesn't include all coverage. Decide whether to use your personal insurance, a credit card policy, or purchase Hotwire's protection to avoid costly damage claims. Fourth mistake, neglecting pickup and drop-off instructions. Beginners often assume locations are the same or ignore timing rules. Check addresses, hours, and documentation required to streamline the rental process. Finally, not reading terms and conditions is common. Hidden fees for mileage, late returns, or additional drivers can quickly add up. Review all policies before booking. By comparing prices, checking car details, reviewing insurance, confirming pickup and drop-off, and reading terms carefully, you can use Hotwire effectively. Avoid these mistakes, and your rental experience will be affordable, convenient, and hassle-free.